If I was to create the Now Skills website from scratch, then what I need to do is consider what will appear on my homepage to start off with. So you can see I've got a list of 1 down to 12. So the first thing I'd want to include on the home page would be the Now Skills logo. I would need a heading, I'd need text, I'd need a bullet list to highlight which qualifications Now Skill offers. I put a video in about apprenticeships, explaining what exactly apprenticeships are, how they work, and so on. I'd need a navigation bar, whether that be horizontal or vertical. Then I'd put some widgets in, so Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, so they're all accessible on the website, so you can follow and so on. Copyright, need to include copyright. And then number 11, Creative Commons logo. If you look at the Creative Commons website, you will see that this is now becoming quite popular around the world, and people are highlighting how you can use their resources. So for example, you could use it to only to read, make no amendments to it. You could use the source, but you would have to, if you're going to use it again, you'd have to source where the original came from, and so on. And then number 12, I'm going to include the Adobe Muse CC logo, because I'm actually going to create the web page or the website in Adobe Muse. So if I scroll down, what I've done is I've put together, laid out where I want everything going. So there you can see number 1, this is where the Now Skills logo is going, and then 7, 8 and 9 I'm going to put the Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn widgets at the top. Number 6, this is your navigation, and then 2, 3, 4 heading, text, bullets. Number 5, this is where my video about apprenticeships will go. Number 10 is my copyright. 11 is the Creative Commons logo with the specified license that I want, and then number 12 is the Adobe Muse logo. Okay, so that's basically how I will put my design together. If I go to wireframe.cc, here you can see one that I prepared earlier. So there, if you look back at the layout that I've just done, so I've got, that's where the logo will go, that's where my widgets will go, that's where my navigation bar will go, this is my heading, this is my text, this is my bullet, this is where my video would go, obviously this is where my copyright would go, left hand side Creative Commons logo, right hand side Adobe Muse logo. Easiest way to do it, like at the top as well here, if you go to this icon, then you've got your desktop, you've got your tablet, you've got your phone in portrait and landscape, so you can actually decide which layout you want and you can change it accordingly. Like, but I'm just going to do it for desktop, so I've just got rid of the extension at the top. To create your wireframes, all it is, you've got your screen, you've got your cursor, so if I wanted to put in there the widgets, all I do, draw a little box, and there you say yes, this is where my image is going to go, and you can adjust the size of it. So if you just click inside and you can adjust the sizes, and then on this side that's where the logo will go. Okay, you'll see there that it's not given the option for the image, so what I would advise is you do a smaller box, there we go, select the image and then drag it out. Next one was, I'll put my navigation in, so there I'll just keep that as a box, or what I can do is I can have it as text, and then there I type in navigation bar, and click back in, double click, I can center a line, I can also change the background, the font colour, so it stands out, make the text bigger. Okay, so we've got my navigation bar in. Right. And then the next one, I will have my heading. There's my headline, heading. Then what I'll do is I'm just going to make this small. I'm going to choose, there we go, there's my paragraph. Then I can stretch this out. Then I'll draw another little one. There's my bullet list. That one. Running out of room. Take that up a bit. Take that one up a bit. And then next we've got the video. Oh, cool, blimey. Put the video in. It's a bit faffy, this. There you go. Right, so there's a video, and then there, what I'll do, text, and then there, I can type in copyright, double click, center align it, and then here, that's where my Creative Commons logo will go, and there, that's where my Adobe Muse logo will go. And there you've got your wireframe. That's it. That's simple. You can either do it using the wireframe CC, or you can download the templates that I've sent you in a previous email. I'll put the link for the template on this video tutorial. So there's my navigation, my wireframe, and then if I go to Adobe Muse, right there you can see there's my Now Skills logo, there's my widgets, there I've got my navigation, there I've got my heading, then I've got text and bullets, and then here there's my video, and I've got my Creative Commons logo, copyright, and Adobe Muse CC. If you're going to create your website in Adobe Muse, it's actually quite a useful tool. It's a web design without any coding. But there will at some point be some coding required. So you've got your desktop, and then there, got your layout for your tablet, and then you've got your layout for your phone.